Hi loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make milk popcorn with your cooking pot, so keep watching. These are what you need for your popcorn. Your corn, your sugar, your oil. You can use margarine. I'm making use of the things I have in my house. Your powdered milk. Any brand of powdered milk is fine. In your pot, pour in oil, and no matter how deep your pot is, just make sure oil covers the base in a single layer. Meaning you shouldn't pour oil as if you want to fry plantain. You will get all these ingredients in a baking shop, and if you want, you can add flavor, milk flavor. So heat up your oil and drop a corn to check if it's ready, and your oil has to be on medium heat before you pour in your corn. All your corn should fit the base of the pot in a single layer. Depending on the type of pot you are using, you might have to be shaking it from time to time. If your pot is really light, you have to be shaking it, or if it's not non-stick, you would have to be shaking it from time to time. Once your corn starts popping, cover it and let it pop. Do not open it at all. Allow it to pop till you hear the last pop. Now let me tell you something. Once you make this popcorn, you no longer enjoy any other popcorn outside. You'll be so addicted, especially because you can add the quantity of sugar you want, the quantity of milk you want, and enjoy. It doesn't take time to prepare, and you do not need too much ingredients. If you have a visitor, you can rush and prepare it for a visitor to start taking before you arrange something else for them. So go learn how to make popcorn today. So once it's done popping, the next thing is to pour it into a bowl. Add sugar, the quantity you want, and add your milk. Now it's your milk, so you can add it as much as, unlike when you're buying the popcorn outside to get. Add your sugar, add your milk, then enjoy your popcorn. If you want to be popping for commercial purpose, then you would need to add milk flavor to it. It's the milk flavor that will first announce your market to your neighbors before you. And get those transparent bread nylon to package it. Popcorn making is a lucrative business. You might want to consider it, and I wish you the best. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, so it can reach more people. See you in my next video. Bye.